Looking for a fan that combines powerful cooling with eye-catching RGB lighting? Corsair's RGB fans deliver exactly that. Each fan features 16 independent RGB LEDs, split into 2 separate light loops, creating dynamic and customizable lighting effects that bring your build to life. These fans aren't just about looks. With a 120mm blade engineered for low noise operation, they push an impressive airflow of 43.25 CFM while maintaining a quiet noise level of just 24.8 decibels. That means you get efficient cooling without the distracting hum. Thanks to PWM fan control, you can easily adjust the fan speed from 600 to 1500 RPM. This flexibility lets you dial down the noise during light use or ramp up airflow when your system needs extra cooling power. The hydraulic bearing ensures smooth, reliable performance over time. Controlling and customizing the RGB lighting is straightforward with the included Corsair Lighting Node Pro. Plus, you can expand your setup by adding more Corsair RGB fans or LED lighting strips, sold separately, syncing everything seamlessly through the iCueSoftware. Some users worry about software glitches, but many have reported smooth experiences with iCue. One reviewer shared that since installing the fans in August 2022, they haven't faced any issues. Even better, you can set your preferred lighting colors and uninstall iCue without losing those settings, no constant background software needed. What you get is a balance of style, performance, and ease of use. These fans fit perfectly into builds themed around vibrant color schemes, like the Arturia Pendragon Altar design, making them more than just cooling components, they're a statement piece. If you're ready to upgrade your PC's cooling and lighting, Corsair's RGB fans are worth a look. They deliver reliable airflow, whisper-quiet operation, and stunning customizable effects that keep your system cool and visually striking. Try them when you're ready to add both function and flair to your build. With proven performance and flexible lighting control, these fans are a smart choice for anyone serious about PC cooling and aesthetics.